In our previous episode, we understood what a non-bailable offence means. Now let us clearly understand the difference between bailable and non-bailable offences. Under Indian criminal law, offences are classified into two categories, bailable and non-bailable. This classification is mentioned in the Code of Criminal Procedure. Let us first understand bailable offences. In a bailable offence, the accused has a legal right to be released on bail. This means the police officer or the court must grant bail if legal conditions are fulfilled. The decision is not based on discretion. It is a matter of entitlement under law. Bailable offences are generally less serious in nature. They may involve minor harm, limited public impact, or lower punishment. Now let us understand non-bailable offences. In a non-bailable offence, bail is not automatic. The accused does not have a guaranteed right to immediate release. Instead, the court must examine the case carefully. A judge evaluates the seriousness of the accusation, the strength of the evidence, the possibility of influencing witnesses, the risk of tampering with evidence, and the likelihood of fleeing from justice. Only after considering these factors does the court decide whether to grant bail. So what is the key difference? In a bailable offence, bail is a right. In a non-bailable offence, bail depends on judicial discretion. But remember something important. Non-bailable does not mean no bail. It only means the court must apply careful reasoning before granting it. The purpose of this classification is balance. Minor offences allow quick release, serious offences require judicial scrutiny. Law protects both liberty and public safety. Understanding this difference removes confusion and fear. Legal awareness empowers citizens to respond calmly in difficult situations. Know your rights. Understand your responsibilities.